Arriving here at Aonia Pass MX, pretty hot this weekend, and we're looking to have a good showing. I've been down in Florida, just training there, and so I'm ready for the heat. And I think the biggest thing this weekend, like, they changed the track around quite a bit from the last time we were here in 2014, and the track actually looks really good. Looks fast, but really good. A lot of option lanes, so should make for really good racing, and we're excited to get out there and get our tires in the dirt and go see what we can do.
What's up, guys, here at Aonia Pass. Starting back up racing after this whole deal. Super pumped to get back at it, and you know, it's a hot day here. Track looks really good. Bunch of split lines, should be good for passing. Real fast track, which I like. You know, we've been doing a lot of work, motor testing, getting our bike dialed in for this, and I think we're ready to rip. You know, we've made a lot of progress over the past 60, 70 days we've been off, and you know, we're just finally ready to get back to it. And I just want to stay focused, stay healthy, and run my consistent laps. And I think my speed this year's really good, and you know, I'm hoping that'll show this weekend.
Coming off the first pro podium at Daytona here at Aonia Pass, you know, looking for a repeat. I was super stoked at the podium at Daytona. It was a dream come true, to say the least, but you know, looking to do that here again at Aonia. It's super hot here, track looks super rough, and I'm excited to get to it.
Lately, it's a so damn world going crazy. Maybe I won't let it faze me. Showing up at 99, leaving till they pay me. Always working on my grind, scrapping every check, only just to fuck a dime. Yeah, they might run the check, tell I'm cashing later, but it is respect. Now the bread is laid, and now I can't escape. But do I put my faith? Can we all relate? Trying things, but they rivet the seams. Wishing I could just live in a dream. Sometimes I don't feel right, but I still gotta fake that smile. I don't know when I feel alright, but I ain't gonna let it stop me now. And before you go the whole way, that the world is against me. You know what I'll say when I feel like it's so hard. Yeah, I've been on the move, but I don't really feel it much, cause ain't no W's. All I do is lose, and now I gotta choose. What am I gonna do? I ain't got a clue. Yeah, the media infectious, but it's so tight, but I spend
felt really strong today in the heat, and that was key because it was definitely a killer for everyone. It had to have been. It was brutal today, 90 degrees, humidity's high, track was rough, and you know, I'm just fortunate to be on top again. Hit my marks, and I was just able to, you know, scope the track out really good and find good lines. I feel like that was able to get me a little edge on Chad today, and you know, congrats to the Phoenix team. You know, I'm super pumped to be back racing and, you know, on the red plate now, heading into Muddy Creek.
It's very great to be back, and you know, it's good to see everybody and back at the races, and you know, enjoying this with the family, and just getting out of here safe and on to the next one. And big props to the guys at Aonia Pass. They put on a good racetrack today for us, and you know, my sport group.
Both motos went great today. Super excited on that. First moto, not a great start. Second moto, not a great start, but way better than the second one. First one had to come from way back, make a lot of passes. Second one made several passes quick, got into third. Rode with Chad and Joel just for a little bit, but man, their pace is gnarly, and they dropped me, and then I kind of put it in cruise. Couldn't catch them, and I had a big gap on fourth, so I kind of just rode her in for third, but man, I definitely want to keep pushing further up for the next rounds.
Oasis Collective.